Hi everyone, I'm Navaneeth Krishnan. Welcome back to my channel. There are a lot of applications already available for us on Play Store and App Store like Snapseed, Pixar, VSU. Adobe has come up with a new software, Adobe Photoshop Camera. Let's see how it works. Before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's get started.
Take a picture, baby, even if you're faking. Tell your mom you're made it. You gotta get up. You gotta get up. You wanna live lavish, while you fool of that cabbage. A brand new crib every month. If that's what you want, you gotta get up. Take a picture, baby, even if you're faking. Tell your mom you're made it. You gotta get up. You gotta get up.
Adobe has come up with a new software called as the Adobe Photoshop Camera. Live on how this application works and my opinion on this particular application. If you're not downloaded this application yet, go down to the description and download the Android and iOS version, whichever that suits you. Let's be on the same page. So this basically Adobe Photoshop Camera is what I have just opened right now, and you can see it here. So I'll be doing a live preview and live review of this particular application here. So basically I'm here on this portrait mode here. So this looks quite impressive. Basically my camera front cam doesn't have a two camera or nothing, so that it blurs the background and focuses different. So when I use this particular application, my background looks completely blurred. That is quite impressive here. So I just make an image, and then I just start using the other filters. It says 1 of 5. Find the sky. So I find the sky. Oh, okay. It turns everything above me into a sky. Okay. Food. Okay, scenery. Very wide. It's quite impressive. Okay. So let me start the So if I go to the portrait mode here, it says, so when I go to the portrait mode, it says 1 of 5. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3rd, this is 4th, this is 5th. So it's quite exciting here. So I go ahead and choose this one particular photo that I've already chosen. So I go ahead and do this auto edit for this one. And I have a bit more corrections. You have shadow, highlight, clarity, vibrance, exposure, contrast, whites, blacks, and saturation. So it's same as like normal any other application that you use. You are able to adjust all these parameters. So you can go ahead and choose the lens even after you make your image. So actually I'm impressed with this one. Like it's able to cut the edges perfectly. Like it separates the foreground and the background very clearly and crisp. So and then it applies the filter. Like there is no like distortion here. It's like perfect, inch perfect. Okay. So we reduce the background hue. Okay. They have given us adjustments on this one. Okay. Okay. That's great. Oh, we can change all this. Okay. And the detail. Wait, if I want to increase the detail. Okay. Oh. Maybe 0.8 morning ratio. Yeah, this looks actually good, right? Yeah. So okay, it looks great. So if I want to share it, so I have different ratios that I can choose from: original, freeform, square, Instagram, 4 is to 5, 5 is to 4, 3 is to 4, 4 is to 3, 9 is to 16, 16 is to 9, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 2. Wow, so many ratios they have provided us with. So original, and I give next. I have all the social media platforms where I can directly share this image to. So this is something great, and this can be more associated with someone who takes a lot of selfies. I don't take a lot of selfies, so I don't find this application much impressive, because I usually make images of whatever I see, and I just make adjustments and edits to that particular image and just post. I don't make image of myself. So this has a lot of filters, and you can play with the filters, and you can play with all this background edits for all the selfies that you make. So this is quite impressive when you start choosing your selfies and you start posting your images on social media. This is the best application, I would say, if you are choosing to do and make images of yourself on social media. But when you are trying to make images of something that you see and edit, I don't find this one quite impressive. So this is my opinion of this particular application. So in the comment section down below, leave whatever is your opinion, and let's find the best application for our mobile, so that we can be on the same page and edit all the images in an amazing way and post them on all social media platforms and share opinions on edits and photography. I hope you like this video. We'll come up with more amazing videos. Until then, stay tuned and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.